In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Miro comments as notifications in Slack for 2025, a full guide to simplify your workflow and stay informed about all your collaborative projects. If you're looking to streamline how you receive updates and ensure you never miss a crucial comment, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive in and get your Miro and Slack accounts working seamlessly together. First things first, we'll begin by heading over to Miro. Open your preferred web browser and go to miro.com. If you're not already logged in, have your credentials ready so you can access your account. Miro is a fantastic tool for collaborative work, but to enhance its efficiency, integrating it with Slack can be a game changer. Once you're on the Miro homepage, move your attention to your profile icon, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. This will take you to a new page which is essentially the hub for all your account-related configurations. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section because it empowers you to tailor your Miro experience according to your needs. Now, on this settings page, you will need to find the notification section. This area is all about communication. How, when, and where you receive updates about the activities within Miro. Look for an option that allows you to add to Slack. Clicking this option initiates the integration process between Miro and Slack, setting the foundation for receiving real-time updates from Miro directly in your Slack channels. Once you've clicked to add Miro to Slack, a new window will pop up requesting permission. Here, you'll see a prompt asking you to authorize the connection between Miro and Slack. Make sure you review the permissions being requested to ensure you're comfortable with them. It's important to know what level of information sharing you're allowing between the two platforms to maintain your information privacy and security. If everything looks good, and it should, click on Allow. After authorizing the connection, Slack may guide you back to your workspace or channel. Now, with the setup completed, any comments made in Miro will seamlessly appear as notifications in your chosen Slack channel, keeping you and your team updated without the hassle of switching between apps. This integration helps increase productivity and ensures that no comment or feedback is overlooked. And there you have it, a successful connection between Miro and Slack, fully set up for efficient notification management. By following these steps, you'll ensure that you never miss out on any important updates from your Miro boards, making collaboration smoother and more effective. Remember, keeping track of changes and feedback in real time can significantly enhance your team's productivity. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your workflows.